Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic Spectral Angle Mapper SAM. So let's start. At first open the hyperspectral data. So class data image open and pure pixel p2t index image open. So let's start how to Endmember collection at first. Next step is the how to spectral angle mapper. So RGB mapper 33 RGB. There is the open of the class data of hyperspectral data. Next is the open of pixel p2t index. There is a pixel p2t index. Right click and quiz statistics. Basic statistics band 1 minimum 0 maximum 3016. Write down this maximum value. Next is the overlay to region by region of interest. So option to bad season of ROI input pixel p2t index here and okay is the quiz statistics. Write down this. Write down the value, maximum value and minimum value. Minimum value is at least 2 and maximum value 3016. So okay and yes. Let's next process is the spectral to n-dimensional visualizer input minimum noise fraction image MNM data and option to show axis. So there is the rotation of this spectral angle mapper. Draw this polygon, right click, export class to right click on new class. Next is the polygon, export and new. Start and create polygon, right click, export, new. So complete this, create a. So let's start how to pure pixel of this image. So at first class 1 and go to link display. Okay. So class 1 and go to red is this is the red. There is a pure pixel. Next is the go to the green. Green is the pure pixel. Next is the blue is the green pure pixel of this image, and next is the yellow. This yellow portion is the pure pixel. Endmember is the collection of the pure pixel. Cyan is the pure pixel of this image. Go to there is the pure pixel of this image, and new region to so green is the green is the pure pixel. Cyan is the pure pixel. So zoom and there is the collection of the water body. There is a pure pixel. Maroon is the maroon. There is the pure pixel. New region, and so there is the vegetation. So file to save ROI. File save ROI. Select two items, vegetation and water body. Output name. Okay. Next is the spectral to mapping method to spectral angle mapper. Input class data and input from ROI EVA from input file. Select all and apply. There is a minimum angle is the 0.030 and output same and okay. So open the same spectral angle mapper classification. Click and new display to load RGB. So there is the classification of vegetation, there is the vegetation and there is the water body. So link these two images. There is the display 1 and 3. Link, and there is the vegetation, there is the vegetation, there is the vegetation. Next, there is a proper vegetation area, dense forest and dense forest. There is the water body here and there is the water body. And next is the water body here and water body. Properly classification, and next is the there is the water body and there is the water body. Actually, this classification is the vegetation and water body. There is the vegetation and there is the water body. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and latest update and remote sensing and GIS geographical information system related work and hyperspectral related work. My channel is available, so please subscribe my channel and latest update.